Despite the fact that the new iPhone SE is cheaper than other iPhones, its price in the market is very high. For comparison, in the US, pre-order for iPhone SE will open on April 17, 2020, and the cost of its basic version is $400. The same situation with other modifications. iPhone SE with 128GB abroad costs $450, and 256GB, $550. In other words, for the money that Americans spend on the top version of the smartphone, in Europe they can only get the basic one. Classic iPhone SE 2016. The original 4-inch iPhone SE of the first generation was released in March 2016 and cost $400 for the option with 16GB of onboard memory and $500 for the version with 64GB. The new iPhone SE, which could be called the iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9, borrowed from the iPhone 8 not only the appearance. From him he got a 4.7-inch IPS-screen without a notch and a low modern resolution of 1334 by 750 pixels, together with support for TrueTone technology, which improves color reproduction. Due to the display, the iPhone SE 2 has become the most compact of all the available iPhones. It is smaller than the 6.1-inch iPhone 11 and 5.8-inch iPhone 11 Pro. The 3D Touch technology, unlike the iPhone 8, does not support the new iPhone SE. Apple abandoned it in 2019. Compared to the original iPhone SE 4 years ago, the smartphone has become noticeably larger. Its screen grew from 4 to 4.7 inches, and the dimensions increased from 123 by 59 by 8 to 138 by 67 by 7. The smartphone has only one main camera with a resolution of 12 megapixels and aperture f1.8. Apple has not yet disclosed all of its specifications, saying only that it is capable of recording 4K clips at 60 frames per second and taking portrait shots. The front camera has not changed since the iPhone 8, all the same 7 megapixels with an f2.2 aperture, and it is not yet clear whether Apple plans to refine it using software algorithms. The main difference between the new iPhone SE and iPhone 8 is the Apple A13 7nm processor, inherited from the iPhone 11 line and replacing the 10nm Apple A11 of the 2017 model. According to tradition, Apple did not indicate the RAM capacity of its new smartphone and battery capacity. These options will become known after the iPhone SE goes on sale.